Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little collective haul for you guys. I love watching these videos so much. I haven't stopped retail therapy, I just stopped filming these, so I thought I would like start doing them again and like share stuff with you guys. 给你们种草一波. Okay, so first thing is just a little accessory. I guess I'll just finish with the accessories first, but I have a pair of earrings from Dia. I actually have a pair of Justine Clinquet that like look really similar to these, but these are from FARFETCH, and Dia creates a lot of really cool, like big, exaggerated accessory pieces, jewelry pieces. This is not for every day, guys. I'm obsessed with this. It just looks so beautiful. Like imagine, you know. Yeah, I really love my accessories today. I'm wearing big silver hoops, but these are just from Taobao. But this is also really pretty as well. Just imagine it on like a night out or something. Like what the heck. I haven't worn these out, but I've had it for a bit. It's just like sitting in my office, but yeah, this is so cute, and I'll definitely be linking this down below. It's from FARFETCH. My next accessory is from another one of my favorite little brands, 小众品牌. It's called MARGE SHERWOOD, a Korean brand. Love their bags so much. I have two of them actually. I love this color. I don't know, like their styles are really basic, but they make it in a bunch of really beautiful colors. But it's got like some sort of like 设计感 to it as well, because like not many brands do, you know, this kind of little mini bag, but with like so many details to it, if you know what I mean. So it's got a strap. It's a beautiful baby pink color. It's got a little, you know, snap closure. It opens like this. I cannot wait until like the summer to like wear this out. It's freezing outside, guys, by the way. So please work with me, MARGE SHERWOOD, because I always post them on Instagram and they like repost my stories and I feel kind of like a little celebrity. But yeah, it has MARGE SHERWOOD in the front, nice leather. And I'm so excited to check out more products from the brand. And yeah, really cute little pink structured bag. All right guys, so I have two things from Reformation. They have been selling on SSENSE, so it's been a little bit easier just like buying from like a website that's like I really trust. I found two really beautiful blouses that I really love from SSENSE. So the first top, I'm obsessed with this one. I wore it so much, but it's the Joy blouse, I think. Really beautiful structured black blouse that hugs you in so well. It has these really cute little poofy sleeves. The neckline of this top is gorgeous as well. It's like square, so it's like, the way to put this blouse on is super awesome as well, because all you have to do is just zip the back, you know, like put it on like an apron and then zip up the back. It's just so easy. And I love how I can buy Reformation on SSENSE now. Quality of this is amazing as well, so I'm so obsessed. The next blouse, I actually haven't worn yet, but it's a beautiful little white blouse as well. The black one in size 2, I got this one in a size 4. So the way to put this on, like it looks a lot bigger than the black one, but the way to put this on is not as like user friendly as the black one, but it's got like white buttons going down. This is like very European summer vibes. I'm going to Europe actually this summer, so I feel like this is gonna be such a good blouse to like wear in Europe. But the neckline is square as well, and then it's got the same really structured shoulder part, so it like really frames your face well. The back is like cinched like this, so beautiful guys, and then it cinches you in at the waist, so everything just hugs perfectly. Like I love Reformation's blouse styles. So I don't think these are in stock on the SSENSE website anymore. If I can find it, I'll link it down below, but yeah, everything will be linked down below. You guys know my love for OAK&FORT. Like seriously guys, I feel like I've never really shopped at OAK&FORT that much except for the end of 2022. And so I'm gonna be showing you guys two pieces that I got from OAK&FORT from Vancouver when I went last year. They had like this really nice OAK&FORT store. So I got this little sweater. I got matching sweatshirts with my mom. Just a little gray sweatshirt. The material of this, first of all, it's so soft. It has this little logo that says Sport Club 1980. A plain gray hoodie, but it has some sort of a detail, and inside is like literally so comfy. Like I remember the first day I bought this, I was wearing it in Vancouver, and it was like I was sweating because of like how warm and soft this sweatshirt is. OAK&FORT size small fits me really great. So this is the first item that I got. And then also from the same store, I got a pair of leather pants. Guys, seriously, like when I tried this on in store, I remember another girl was there. It was just like me, my mom, and this other girl, because it was like kind of early in the day. But I tried this and I came out of the fitting room, and then I heard the girl tell like the store employee like, hey, you know, that pair of leather pants looks like really good on that girl. Like, you know, what style is it? So I was like, like, gotta get this. But It's a black leather pant. I never had any like loose leather pants prior to buying this, but it's actually a size 2. It's honestly such a good fit, like compared to the Aritzia Melina pants. I don't know why, like this one just fits so much better on me than the Aritzia pants could ever. So if you guys also want leather pants, check out OAK&FORT because they have like really good leather pants, and they also have the black ones. They also have like a brown color, so it's like perfect for all my neutral girlies. It's got butt pockets, so that's super easy. You know, when I'm at work, I wear these, like I can slide my phone into the butt pocket. So convenient. Like I've probably worn these pants 100 times since I've got them, so I love this. And this outfit looks really cute together as well, like the gray sweatshirt plus like the leather pants. But like seriously, I feel like all my clothes look good with leather pants, so that's why I wear it so much. It's such a versatile piece. So good. All right guys, last 2 pieces to share with you guys are both like little 小众品牌 from Essence as well. First one is from a brand called KSUBI, and I think the brand specializes in denim. I got this really cute gray sweatshirt. It's like so good quality, like it's very structured. It's a little bit more loose and baggy as opposed to the OAK&FORT one that I just shared with you guys, but gray sweatshirt. And what I really love is that it has like the white like it has like the outside stitching, and then it just like has the same little stitching, and then on the sleeve it just like says KSUBI or SUBI. Super cute. Like it's not, you know, super in your face, but it has like its own details. And then on the other side it has like this little thingy. I'm pretty sure on their denim, this little patch is on the butt pocket, so you know, on their sweatshirt it's on the sleeve, and then it's just like really cute and like the perfect little gray sweatshirt. And then the next hoodie is from Stolen Girlfriends Club. It's this really nice like 水洗黑, like a nice like washed black color. A really nice like washed black color. I got this in a size extra large because I wanted it to be extra large. And it's just like a nice little gray hoodie, and then it just says Stolen Girlfriends Club in pink. I cannot wait for the weather to become like a little bit more warm so I could like style this with like biker shorts and like sneakers, but it's just super cute. I could wear this effortlessly in the spring and the summer. I just don't think that like this type of sweater looks good fitted, so I decided to go for extra large. And I will definitely be linking this down below if I can still find it. On Essence, I don't think so, but we'll see. Just the perfect fit. All right guys, so that is pretty much the end of today's collective haul video. I have so much more stuff, so I'm definitely gonna be doing like a part 2 and just more hauls moving forward. So if you guys are also interested in, you know, shopping and just like finding cute clothes and accessories, then definitely like this video and subscribe, and check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night, wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.